Hello friends, in this video I will show you how you can pull up the manual or as they say the push brake in the event that it does not hold. It means that there's a gear which must be turned depending on whether you want to loosen or pull on the handbrake. Friend, but before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. The parking brake pads will either abut against the plater or diverge from the plater. That's all guys, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.